Hello dear fans. How to equalize a chemical equation. How unsurprising nature is for humans. In winter it envelopes the earth in a snowy duvet, in the spring it reveals everything living like popcorn flakes, in summer it rages with a riot of colors, in the fall it sets fire to the plants with red fire. And only if you think about it and look closely, you can see what is behind all these usual changes are complex physical processes and chemical reactions. And in order to explore all living things, you need to be able to solve chemical equations. The main requirement for equalizing chemical equations is knowledge of the law of conservation of the amount of matter. 1. The amount of matter before the reaction is equal to the amount of matter after the reaction. 2. The total amount of the substance before the reaction is equal to the total amount of the substance after the reaction. Instructions. Step 1. To equalize the chemical example, several steps are required. Write down the reaction equation in general form. To do this, denote the unknown coefficients in front of the formulas of substances with letters of the Latin alphabet, X, Y, Z, T, etc. Suppose it is required to equalize the reaction of combining hydrogen and oxygen, as a result of which water is obtained. Before the molecules of hydrogen, oxygen, and water, put the Latin letters, X, Y, Z, coefficients. Step 2. For each element, based on the material balance, compose mathematical equations and obtain a system of equations. In the above example, for hydrogen on the left, take 2x, since it has an index 2, on the right 2z, because it also has an index 2. It turns out 2x equals 2z, hence, x equals z. For oxygen on the left, take 2y, since there is an index 2, on the right z, because there is no index, which means it is equal to 1, which is customary not to write. It turns out, 2y equals z, and z equals 0.5y. Step 3. Calculate the number of equations, number of substances, and the number of unknowns, number of elements. In the selected example, we got a system of two equations x equals z and y equals 0.5z. Thanks for watching.